It's not just strategy, it's execution through structured processes, what actually drives project execution. The Performance Domain Framework includes 40 core processes essential for success. These processes describe how project work is actually performed in real-world scenarios. They span 5 key phases: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, and closing. Governance has the largest footprint, connecting all domains within the project ecosystem. Processes don't operate in isolation. They interact across domains to create synergy. Outputs from one process naturally become the vital inputs to another. But remember, these 40 processes are not a rigid checklist to be followed blindly. They are a flexible reference meant to be adapted to your unique project needs. This brings us to one of the most important concepts in project management: tailoring. No two projects are the same, so no approach should be identical every time. Tailoring means adapting processes to fit your specific project context and constraints. You must adjust your governance based on the level of complexity and risk involved. Adapt your scope definition based on the clarity and stability of the requirements. Scale your risk management depth based on the degree of uncertainty you face. Most importantly, document and communicate every tailoring decision you make. Undocumented tailoring creates confusion and inconsistency across the project team. Now, let's talk about the ultimate goal of any process: value delivery. Every process output must connect directly to a higher-order strategic outcome. A project charter, for instance, creates essential strategic alignment from day one. A well-built schedule creates coordinated delivery across all project work streams. A risk register creates resilience, allowing the team to navigate obstacles smoothly. Without clear outcomes, process outputs have no real value to the organization. Process compliance is necessary, but it is never sufficient for true success. Projects succeed when they deliver value, not just voluminous documentation. It all starts with initiation, connecting the project deeply to the business strategy. Without that connection, projects drift and lose their original purpose. With it, every decision becomes clear and aligned with the organization's goals. The Performance Domain Framework is your compass for navigating today's complexity. Are you delivering value? Evaluate your processes. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.